Welcome to the tutorial for our portable digital refractometer. Step 1. Unboxing. Inside the protective case, you will find several items. The main refractometer unit, a user manual, a screwdriver, a pipette, and a battery. Step 2. Battery installation. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws on the back. Open the battery compartment cover. Insert one number 7 battery correctly. Replace the cover and tighten the screws firmly to ensure a good seal. Step 3. Calibration. This device can support calibration with pure water. Open the light shield. Use the pipette to drip 0.2 milliliters of pure water. Make sure the water completely covers the prism surface. Close the shield. Press the read button to power on. Then, hold the cal button for 2 seconds. The screen will flash cal. Press the CAL button once more to start the process. When the screen shows end, calibration is complete. Wipe the sample chamber clean. Step 4. Measurement. Open the shield and press the read button to start. Drip 0.2 to 0.3 milliliters of your sample onto the prism. For accurate results, use the pipette to break any small air bubbles in the liquid. Close the shield. Press the read button once for a single measurement. Alternatively, hold the read button for 2 seconds for 15 automatic measurements. The screen will then display the average value. This ensures higher precision. After testing, clean the sample chamber with water and wipe it dry immediately. Clean the device quickly after testing corrosive liquids to prevent damage to the prism. Step 5. Switching scales. Press the scale button after powering on. This allows you to cycle through different measurement modes and refractive index scales. Step 6. Switching temperature units. Press and hold the scale button. After 2 seconds, the display will switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit.